A fresh cup of coffee. That's the best way to start the day.
Message received from Eduardo Gijon.
Oh, he wants me to come over now. How cool. Then leave that cup of coffee. Please call a taxi.
The taxi arrives in 5 minutes.
Great, that's fast. Oh, look, there he is already. I'm here. Hey, take me to NRF Granada. What a beautiful place Granada is. How long is the ride to NRF?
You arrive at your destination in 15 minutes.
I think it's here.
Arrived at your destination.
Thanks for the ride. Open the NRF app.
Customer service team,
Oh,
Spain.
look, what a lot of people. Hi, everyone. There he is.
Eduardo Gijon.
Hi, how are you? Let me show you around.
Okay. What an enthusiastic man.
This is our refurbished working space.
Wow.
We could have moved to a new building, but we would have left a 100-year history behind. Let's go somewhere else.
100 years. Please provide me more information about the history of NRF.
At the beginning of 1980, NRF opened its first location abroad, France.
Interesting.
In the following years, we opened new locations across Europe. Engineering team, Spain.
So here is the engineering department.
Angela Garcia Mariver.
Hi.
Welcome. It's a pleasure to have you here.
Nice to be here.
Welcome to the engineering area, where we are divided into 3 different groups. Process engineers, which are the ones more linked to the production workflow, the designers, and the application engineers, who are responsible for all the thermal calculations.
Hi, everyone. Nice office.
Shall we go to the workshop?
Oh, the workshop. I'm curious about that. I'm getting a lot of exercise today.
So he is Pedro, he's the production manager of NRF Spain, and he's the person responsible for creating what is engineered upstairs.
Pedro Tomas
Hello,
Morales.
this is Pedro Morales, nice to meet you. Welcome to NRF, I'm the production manager, so please come with me to the factory and enjoy my work. First of all, safety shoes and jacket, please.
Of course, safety first. Wow, totally my color. So, ready to go.
Okay, let's go to the factory.
The factory of NRF Spain.
Here is where we produce all the cores and radiators for automotive, everything for cooling for engine. From the raw material, okay, we produce 1 core and radiator.
Wow, it's really big here.
We have separated all the factory in different sections. This one is for header plates and for tanks. Okay, this is where we assemble all the cores on the flat thin cores. Copper, tubes, header plates. At the end, we finish with a core. A crude core is not.
What an accuracy.
For the oven.
He really has a lot of knowledge.
Is manufacturing some serpentine cores. Welcome to the gel. After put the core and get it out from the
He knows a lot and talks a lot. But interesting.
to avoid the leaks. And obviously, in this section, we test the leaks in order to avoid.
They even test all their cores. Great.
The core is perfect. No leak for the customers.
They really strive for perfection here.
Okay, this is the other one. It's so big, this core, we cannot introduce in the bath. That's all. This is the factory for NRF here in Spain, in Granada. So thank you so much for your interest in us for your visit.
No, thank you.